making a basic circuit. Right now, I have the snap-on circuit. See? When it's together, the light's on. When it's not together, the light's off. And even if you put your light, all the way like this, it still won't look. Because it is not together. So it needs to be together just like. Don't worry guys, if you don't have this, it's okay because we're making an aluminum foil basic circuit. So all you need is a battery, some aluminum foil, and a Christmas light. Let's get started. So first, you want to fold your aluminum foil like this. Then place it like a square. Next, take another aluminum foil and fold just like that. Now take your Christmas light and put it through this and put it in the circuit. But fold it. Okay, now it's time to test the circuit out. If the light comes on, that means our circuit was complete. If our light does not come on, that means our circuit was not complete. Let's test it out. Our circuit was complete. So that means everything was sealed together and the electrons was flowing through. So now our light comes on, just like this one. Just one quick reminder, your circuit has to be complete just like this. Or if it's not, your light will not turn up. And remember, this is your conductor and this is your power source. Please subscribe and like. Bye guys!